Imagine adding 3D styles on any logo with just one click. You've probably seen people do similar things using long, complicated prompts and expensive tools. Most of the time you have to ask for those prompts in the comments, and after that it's endless back and forth until you get a result that is good enough. And actually, good luck adding those styles on your own logos, because those prompts mostly work on well-known logos. So what we did here is we've added all those styles in one place, and now you can get a perfect result on any logo you can think of with just one click. You can also try it for free, so let me show you how it's done. First, go to logodiffusion.com. If you don't have a logo, you can generate a professional one right here. You can also pick one from our AI gallery, or if you already have a logo, like I do right now, just click on the magic editor and upload it. Now, the magic editor can do a lot. I'll put a video in the top right corner that you can watch after this one. But now let's focus on logo styles. Choose the style you like and click generate. That's it. Forget those long prompts and time-consuming workflows. You can do it all here with a single click. Here are a few more logos I made, each with different styles. I ran them through the Logo Diffusion's Upscaler, and you can see how clean and detailed they look. Let me also quickly show you how you can edit any image with Magic Editor. I'll use this Christmas style logo I just created and click edit this image. Let's also remove the style and type something like remove presents. Hit generate, and as you can see, the presents are now gone. Now let's edit the new version and type add a Santa's hat on the letter B. And just like that, it does exactly what we asked for. Let's also upscale this image and see how it looks. I'll do a 2x upscale, keep optimization on default. I'll also lower the creativity level to around 2 so it makes minimal changes, and finally click on upscale. We have over 15 styles for now, but we are adding plenty more, so visit logodiffusion.com, try it for free, and definitely let us know what you think of this new feature. See you very soon.